Well, I'll be the first to tell you, it looks like complete... It just turned off. It looks like complete shit, and it bothers me because I have OCD and I'm seeing one light less and it's getting me nervous. If you have an E92, you probably bought it just because of those lights. No, I'm kidding. If you bought it because of those lights, you have a fucking problem. But anyways, today we're gonna be fixing exactly that. The first thing you would probably do is go to like your local hardware store. I went to Canadian Tire, I bought myself I went to look if it was the bulb that was burnt because I thought the brake light was burnt or whatever. I don't know, I thought it was a bulb. Then you open it up and you look inside and you go, oh, it's not a bulb, it's electronic. It's the entire piece that is not working anymore. So you have to go to either BMW, buy yourself Canadian, it's 300 something dollars, or I bought it on eBay, shipping to my house, everything, it costed $250. So I bought it on eBay, and today we got it here. It's from ULO. I also got another package. It's the red start stop button, push button when you start your car. Anyways, also guys, if you're a car guy or girl or whatever, it's 2018 now, I'm partnering up very soon with a detailer, and we're gonna have a special code for you guys, for the subscribers of Garage 19. He has all kinds of detailing products that are the best of the best for your particular car. I presume he ships all over Canada for sure. I think, I'm not sure yet, but I think he could also do it to the States. Today we're gonna be taking off the old stock trunk tail light, and if you want the link for that, I'm actually gonna put it down below for you guys, because what I have is the after LCI model, so it's different than the pre LCI. I'm gonna be putting both mine and the other one down below. Anyways, enough talking, let's get into this. So first and foremost, I'm gonna need a pry tool, one that can go and remove all these, like, I don't know the word, these screws, whatever, all along this fender liner here in the trunk. And I'm gonna need I think it's 8mm socket to remove the headlight from the bracket that's holding it in. So now with the bumper off, we're gonna take our 10mm and we're gonna remove this bolt right here. Now that you have the bolt off, just pay attention to how this is all mounted up. So there's like a, I don't know if you could, there we go. There's like a lip that this gray piece that wraps around. So you gotta be sure to, when you put it back in, to first put this edge and then like push it down. Remove the wire harness here and then open up the new box of the new one. So if I go to unbox this, I'm gonna see the new light nicely packaged, and I'm gonna see that in here there's the bulb for the brake light that's already positioned in place here. I'm gonna see that I have all the weather stripping to seal up this light from water or the weather that might happen outside. And one thing I want to mention that could distinguish LCI versus pre-LCI is that the LCI has this like edge that you really, it's a necessity. Also the LCI, it has those typical lights in here that you have to really pay attention to, that it has to have. The pre-LCI has a one only at the bottom or whatever it is, and there's like a lot of reflectors. The LCI is obviously the more expensive one, but just please be careful, because I had to do returns galore and pay for shipping back and all that stuff. Make sure if you have LCI that it has this lip right here. Alright, Now let's get back to the car. So now, like I said earlier, we're gonna plug this in to here, and I'm gonna have to first remove this bracket here at the 10 mil, so that these clips that are found at the edge here can clip onto the there's like a right at the edge here, there's like a lip that has to clip onto that lip. Like I said, I'm gonna start from the outside and then like push down towards the middle of the car. This is the moment of truth. I've been waiting for this since I bought the car 2 months ago. Will this light turn on properly? Here's the moment of truth. I'm actually kind of nervous. What the hell? Well, it should have worked. I have no idea what's wrong now. Alright, well, nah, I'm talking to you guys inside my car. I don't know what's going on. If anyone at all knows what's going on, why it wouldn't turn on. It's a brand new piece. It should work properly, like everything. If you have any ideas, anyone, if there's something with the wiring that's wrong, with my actual car, or well, that's what I'm thinking now. This should have been an easy fix. I've been waiting for this forever, and it's still not fixed. Sometimes life, you know, throws you some hard balls, but thankfully, I'm hoping for the car community to help me out here, or anyone that knows anything about why this wouldn't work. I'm gonna cut the video off here, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching, and please drop a comment. Don't feel shy. Stupid or not stupid, I'll consider it. I'll look at it. I need the help. Again, next video I'm doing the red start stop button on my car, and upcoming I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff with a detailer. So if for all my detailers out there, be sure to drop a subscription to my channel, because you will definitely be hearing from me. We're gonna be doing a lot of educational videos to teach you guys and myself, because I'm not much of a detailer, but I want to learn. So that's kind of what this whole collaboration is gonna be. So if you're interested for anything like that, definitely drop a subscription. Like the video if you liked whatever I did here today. Drop a comment if you have any idea what's going on. And always remember to drive what drives you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.